We're good to go.
Thank you, sir.
Well, let me say thank you. Thank you very much for coming to join us in the launch of these very, very important new machines for us. As you have already heard, ours is a company that was started by a group of corporate people and professionals from different sectors, diverse sectors, but all who had a strong desire to contribute towards the industrialization of Kenya. We started small, of course, because the capital had to be raised from within us as individuals and as a group. And we began with machinery imported from South Korea. In fact, a group of us actually went to South Korea to see the machinery, see it at work before we brought it. And from the outset, we have put in all that we know and have learned from working in large corporates to make it work. But despite that, the journey has not been easy. We've had challenges. Some of the challenges based on skepticism by stakeholders and by the market as to whether indeed the product that we were introducing at the time was innovative and was new to the market. We were the only ones making low-density polyethylene foam at the outset, competing against the high-density polyethylene foam or plastics, which are less environmentally friendly. Since then, of course, we've seen entrants by competitors, and the field is very competitive now. And it became absolutely necessary for us to upgrade the machines that we were using. And as you've heard, we've now got machines that will be able to produce 9 times the volume, very much faster, 10 times faster, and therefore in a very good position to give the customers what they're looking for. We are really, really pleased to be where we are now, and we are already planning for the next stage to go even bigger than what we're doing here. So, and I must thank first and foremost the shareholders who are also the directors for having stayed the course and gotten us to where we are now. And I must also thank our staff from the first few that we began with to the 30 that we have now for their very hard work. And obviously must thank other stakeholders that have contributed to our success so far.
Maybe from where you sit, from the experience you've had, what would you say is, the biggest hurdle facing local manufacturers in the country? And in terms of the key support that you would want to see from the government, what would it be, coming from the government that would help, local manufacturers, especially the SMEs?
The biggest challenge for local manufacturers is the fact that the world has become a very small place, and competition is not only from within the country, but also from outside the country. And that calls for the local manufacturer to produce goods that are as of a high standard as are available from outside the country, and at the right price. And that involves ensuring that the inputs are priced correctly. Support from the government. Obviously, the biggest support that the government can give is to ensure that incentives are provided to local manufacturers, and disincentives, if you like, or extra tax is put on goods that are manufactured outside. That's not to say that it is to allow for inefficient production, but rather to make up for the economies of scale that you need in order to bring prices down.